Hi there, welcome to 42 Pursuit. I'm Gavin, and in today's video, I'm going to be updating this existing cabinet to make sure the glue and finishes inside it don't freeze, as this space is not going to be consistently heated throughout the winter. Let's get to it. To do this, we're going to need a couple things. A temperature-controlled outlet. I like this one because it comes with an external temperature probe that you can put wherever you want. A safe or vault dehumidifier. These come in different lengths depending on the cubic area that you're trying to heat. Some stick-on foam window seal, and some insulation foam board. I'll have links for all of these things in the description below. I'm going to start by emptying out the cabinet, taking some inside measurements, and cutting the insulation board to size. Whoa, time out. I can already see the comments. No, you don't need a table saw to cut styrofoam. Grab yourself a straight edge and a utility knife and you'll be all set. I just like it because it's fast, accurate, and I've got dust collection so the little fuzzies don't go everywhere. Well, as much of everywhere. And here's a trick I've used many times for getting perfect alignment on mounting screws. If you haven't seen this before, file this one away for later. It'll come in handy. All right, that about does it. We've got it all insulated. The heater's here, temperature probe is here. We've got the window seal around the edges so that we can limit as much air leakage to try to keep this box warm. And then this guy is the temperature controlled receptacle. And I really like this. You can set it, because it has heating and cooling, you can use it for other things as well. So you can have it cool if it's above a certain range, heat if it's below a certain range, and you can set those set points. So I think that's gonna be really great to have. Now, I think this should work just fine, but I'm also gonna be adding in a digital temperature reader that will take temperature periodically. I'll have the heat in the shop here turned off, so the only heat will be coming from this. It's gonna get cold in the next couple weeks, so there should be some good data there. I'm expecting the system to work just fine, but if it doesn't, I'll leave a comment below and maybe do a follow-up video if there's any tweaks necessary. And now all that's left is to put everything back, close it up, and see how it works over the winter. And that about does it. Thanks for sticking around. If you have any thoughts or ideas, go ahead and throw those in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. I hope this video added value to you, and if it did, if you would be so kind as to hit that thumbs up button, that helps the channel out and also lets me know that you found this content valuable. Stay warm and take care.